Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are cooking the amazing chicken paprikash, rich in flavor, beautiful in color and filled with irresistible aroma. So without any delay, let's get started. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt over medium heat. Then add 500 grams of chicken thighs to the pan. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper on top. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy update. Cook each side for about 5 minutes until golden brown. Then remove the chicken and set aside in a bowl. In the same pan, add 1 cup of chopped onion, and 4 minced garlic cloves. Saute until the onion turns translucent and fragrant. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And 3 tablespoons of paprika. Then fry lightly to release the aroma of the spices. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix well and cook for a few seconds until combined. Then pour in 300 ml of chicken broth or water if broth is not available. Mix well and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. Then return the chicken pieces to the pan. Cover and let it simmer for 45 minutes, flipping the chicken occasionally so it cooks evenly and absorbs all the flavors. After 45 minutes, remove the chicken again and add 3/4 cup of sour cream to the sauce. Stir until fully combined and smooth. Then season again with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Then return the chicken to the pan. Then simmer for another 5 minutes to let everything blend beautifully. Then turn off the heat and garnish with chopped parsley. And there you go, serve the delicious chicken paprikash and sprinkle a bit more parsley on top. Enjoy this creamy, flavorful chicken paprikash with your favorite bread, rice or noodles. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Happy cooking and see you next time.